सबसे पहले तो जब सीरीज़ में आप कोई किरदार प्ले करते हैं तो आपको 8 एपिसोड मिलते हैं पूरा किरदार एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए। ये एक बहुत बड़ा ड्रॉ था और बहुत कम किरदार ऐसे मिलते हैं जो बिल्कुल बचपन से लेकर उसके पूरे एडल्ट लाइफ की जो एक स्टोरी आर्क रहती है वो प्ले करने को मिलती है। सो दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट डेफिनेटली ड्रू मी। द फैक्ट दैट ये एक वल्नरेबल इनोसेंट कैरेक्टर था एंड उसके लाइफ के सर्कमस्टांसेस उसे ऐसे दिशा में ले जाते हैं जो इसने अपने सपनों में भी नहीं सोचा था, वॉज अ डेफिनेट ड्रॉ टुवर्ड्स द कैरेक्टर। I a lot of the clues to the character were in the script. It's fantastically written by Siddharth Sen Gupta. We did a lot of workshops because season 1 happened during the second lockdown. So all of the workshops happened during the lockdown phase on Zoom. And I write a lot when I prepare for a character. So understanding the backstory, asking questions of the writer and the director. And I think the fantastic thing about a series is that you get to collaborate with such fantastic talent. So having great stalwarts like a Saurabh Shukla, like a Brijinder Kala on set, all adds to the world that go into forming the character. In season 2, the most challenging scene to shoot is a scene that Shweta Tripathi and I shoot in a bathroom. It's a very violent scene, but there's a lot of heartfelt emotion in it at the same time. It also sort of makes me relate to the fact that sometimes a protagonist can be faced with circumstances where he has the best of intentions, but he has to fight fire with fire, which is what in today's term we would call like a violent hero. Is someone who has a heart of gold. He's fighting for all the right reasons, but he's battled into a corner where he has no choice but to take matters into his own hands. The shades of innocence come from an earnest and vulnerable past. It comes from a sense of being utopian, of seeing a future where all this character wants is to have the perfect life with the perfect girl in a small house with a small dog in a small farm somewhere far away. But the beauty about drama and dramatic writing and Siddharth Sen Gupta's work is that nothing happens according to plan. And I think interesting stories are the ones जहाँ पर character के life में इतना high drama हो और conflict हो that he has to go through paths that he would never imagine before. And that is where the menace comes in, where he's battling such a big power structure and such powerful antagonists in this story कि वो थोड़ा सा उस थाली में अगर अपना हाथ नहीं डालेगा, he'll never be able to come out a winner for himself and his family. I look at it with a lot of gratitude. मैं बहुत ही fortunate हूँ जहाँ पर हम इस वक्त बैठे हैं. मैंने मर्दानी फिल्म के इंटरव्यूज़ करे थे 10 साल पहले और बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जिनको इतने समय में कुछ अमेजिंग डायरेक्टर्स और कलाकारों के साथ काम करने का मौका मिलता है. शुरुआत हुई थी द लेट प्रदीप सरकार के साथ, उसके बाद नंदिता दास, नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी, जॉन इब्राहिम, नितेश तिवारी, कबीर खान, रणवीर सिंह, to work with so many great people in such a short span of time. मैं अपने आप को बहुत ही खुशकिस्मत मानता हूँ. मेरा मानना हमेशा रहा है that it should be quality over quantity. But it is always great that the audience has expectations from you. मैं कभी वैसा कलाकार नहीं बनना चाहूँगा कि लोग कहते हैं कि यार ये तो overrated है, बहुत देख लिया, पक गया हम इससे. It's always better to leave the audience saying यार that was great, when are we seeing that person next? And that's the kind of artist I want to be.